trains. DJ turn me up, ladies get so jammed. I'ma sip Moscato, you gon' lose them fans. And I'ma throw this money while you do it with.
Hey YouTube, today I'm doing a bike check on my 2011 Hoffman ontic IL. I have Shadow Conspiracy, Little Dirty Grips, Flangless. I jacked up my bar ends, so I have an Eastern bar end, and then another Eastern bar end, or actually a Shadow Conspiracy bar end. Stock bars, they suck. Scratch really easily. They have Blitz stem, stock forks. Those suck too. They scratch really easily. I have plain black rim, alienation, it's in blue. Alienation graffiti tires. Stock hubs. Blitz crank arm. Stock pedals. Hoffman little dinky chain wheel. Cam seat chain. Kink seat. Stolen Thermalite seat post. It's really light. 9-tooth driver, cassette hub, stock, alienation graffiti tire, and plain black alienation rim in blue. That's basically it.
Long as she don't care, when she walks she get